Your City of Sacramento Department of Utilities is hard at work, day and night, processing stormwater to keep streets from flooding and treating drinking water to make it safe and clean. You might have noticed the treatment facilities as you drive by, but few people witness what goes on behind the scenes. Utilities has put together the following video tours to give you a closer look at the process, history, and challenges of your water and sewer facilities. Let's begin with the Sacramento River Water Treatment Plant, the facility that cleans and treats your drinking water. Sacramento River water enters the intake structure on the other side of Interstate 5 and is pumped under the freeway to the grit basin. This is the first step to remove dirt and larger particles. When these particles are removed, chlorine is added to remove potentially harmful organisms. The next step is known as flocculation. Chemicals such as aluminum sulfate are mixed into the water. They act as a coagulant, causing smaller particles to join together, creating what's known as floc. After flocculation, water flows to the sedimentation basins. Floc particles settle to the bottom, where mechanical arms move around and take them out. Finally, water passes through the filter gallery. The smallest microscopic particles are removed, resulting in clean, clear drinking water. More chemicals are added like fluoride and chlorine, helping with water quality. Lime is also added to protect pipes over the long term. Over the years, many changes have taken place at the plant to improve operations and efficiency. The new intake structure, completed in 2004, and new treatment basins, also added in 2004. But more needs to be done to repair aging infrastructure and meet new regulations. The original treatment basins were built during the 1930s, before the Environmental Protection Agency existed, and the government regulated the water treatment process. These old basins are inefficient. More chemicals and energy are used compared to newer facilities to achieve the same result. While difficulties remain, your Department of Utilities will always continue to provide safe, reliable drinking water each and every day. They've been doing so for over 100 years. The next facility is Sump 2, which processes millions of gallons of combined wastewater each day. Combined wastewater is wastewater from homes combined with rain and urban runoff that flows down the storm drains. This facility and the people who work here keep combined wastewater from flowing back onto the streets and limit street flooding during rain events. The entire process begins at the building known as Sump 2A. As water enters, it travels through screens that catch debris, preventing damage to the pumps. Large machines called automatic screen cleaners scrape the screens and remove garbage and debris. The first side of Sump 2A processes about 60 million gallons of wastewater a day. When it rains, the second side is used, processing another 130 million gallons. In heavy rains, a third set of pumps kick in, which are housed in the old Sump 2 building and can process another 350 million gallons. Pumping all that water requires some serious power. Pumps inside both buildings range from 150 to 1,000 horsepower. The next building is the flow control structure. It diverts 60 million gallons of wastewater a day to the Sacramento Regional County Sanitation District. During heavy rain events, it diverts excess combined wastewater to the Combined Wastewater Treatment Plant or to the Pioneer Reservoir, where it is either stored or pumped to the Regional Sanitation District, or it is stored, treated, and discharged in accordance with city permits. Next door is the switchgear generator building that houses 2 main SMUD power feeds and 4 diesel generators. All facility operations have backup power supplies. If power from SMUD ever goes out, the diesel generators kick in immediately for zero disruption in service. On-site diesel supplies can keep the generators running for up to 36 hours. In Sacramento, we have some of the best natural resources, like 2 major rivers where we get drinking water. But it's the dedication of the Department of Utilities that provides us all with a high quality of life and thriving community.